Once Prime Minister Modi said the definition of FDI for the people of India is first develop India. Hello and good morning everyone. Today my lecture topic is foreign direct investment. Friends, if we see the definition of foreign direct investment, then it is an investment that comes from the foreign country as a individuals or any firm to another country known as foreign direct investment. In India, there is two route for the foreign direct investment. First is automatic route and second is government route. In automatic route, there is no need of any approval from the government or RBI. In the financial year 2021 to 2022, India got the 85 billion US dollar of foreign direct investment. That last year it was 82 US dollar billion US dollar. Friends, now let's talk what are the advantages of foreign direct investment. First is increasement of economy. As foreign direct investment comes in any country, so the biggest benefit is economic growth, and that's why any country wants to attract the investor that is foreign based. Second is improvement of human capitals. As foreign direct investment comes, they required many human resources and human capital, and so they improved this system, as well as they also created jobs for them and they gives employment. Third is improvement in technology. As foreign companies known for their advanced technology, they come in any country, so firstly they focus on this area to make their reality in to make their vision in reality. And that's why the Karnataka, the city Bangalore, has increased their technology a lot in the recent years. Fourth, that is the stability of foreign exchange rate. As investment comes, so the currency, the foreign currency also flow in that country, and the flow of the currency remain stable, and that's why the exchange rate, the reserve exchange rate, got high in that country. Fifth, rise in export. As foreign companies see and made the product for the global view, and that's why that country also increased their export to another country through that foreign company. Friends, there is also some disadvantage of the foreign direct investment. Like first, when foreign direct investment comes in any country, so the local companies lose the interest to invest in the domestic product. They got attract from the foreign products. Second, after entering the foreign companies, many local market got crash, and the foreign company got unethical access to that local company, and that is not good for any country. Some other disadvantages, like there is also changes in the political system that's also affect the foreign direct investment. Friends, in my conclusion, as there is many advantages of the foreign direct investment, but we cannot say that it is a magic wand that will finish our all problem. Our government need to do some reforms in some areas and some sector like mining, coal, defense, some innovation areas. So, and also government need to make a good environment for the business and for these foreigners companies. And we also need to increase and improve our ease of doing business ranking of India. And then India will also get much more foreign direct investment, and also India will create a good business environment for the country. Thank you.